Okay, so it is here, it is happening. The Google Pixel Fold is now officially official. And I say that because, there's already been tons of leaks for this device, pretty much giving us everything. And me, myself, personally, I've been trying to stay away from those leaks because, I want to be surprised when this device is announced. But when Google themselves put something out, it is hard to ignore that because that's Google right there. And they're pretty much leaking their own device. They said, you know what? Forget all the leaks that have been thrown out to you guys already here. We're just gonna give it to you. Now, obviously they didn't give us the specs or anything, but we have a full video on Twitter showing this device, and I'll put it up right here so you guys can see. And it is showing everything, how this device is going to look. It shows it unfolding. It shows the screen, the front screen, the back. And if you look at the back, it pretty much looks like the Google Pixel 7 Pro that I have right here in my hand. We're keeping that same camera bar in the back, that same unique look to let people know that, hey, no, this is not a Samsung foldable device. This is a Google Pixel foldable device. And in my opinion, I think it looks really nice. Now, looking at that inside shot of the bigger display on the inside, yes, we do have some bezel all the way around, which looks like a lot more than what we see with the Samsung foldable devices where it's just barely any bezel. It's just basically the edge of the screen. But this, honestly, to me, I think is pretty nice because it's going to help you hold it better, to be able to use that inside display a little easier. It gives you something to hold, somewhere to put your thumbs when you're holding this foldable device. And it also houses the camera as well up there at the top right, which I personally think is better than the way Samsung is doing it. Don't hide it under the display if the pictures are basically going to look like crap, or the video. I mean, yeah, it'll work for video calling, but it's still not the best quality. I mean, I personally never used it, and I still wouldn't use it if the quality is going to be that bad. If you're doing it like this, where you have some bezel to house that camera lens, then your pictures are going to come out a lot better. And if we know Google, the pictures are going to come out fire. You already know Google has it down when it comes to taking photos with their devices. So I can only imagine how good they're gonna be here on the Pixel Fold. And then you go to that outside display, and it is a nice big display. It does look like it's going to be shorter than a Samsung foldable device, like the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 or even Fold 3. It is going to be shorter, but wider. So we're pretty much getting, a wide display. It looks like it might be just as wide as my Pixel 7 Pro right here, which does make it more usable, more easy to use, because when it's more skinnier, it's just harder to use both your thumbs typing. I mean, yeah, you can always use a swipe to text or anything like that, but having a wider display is just easier to use with both hands, and it is going to be a little bit shorter, so it won't be as tall, but it's still nice to be able to have a wider display there in the front. And then, like I said, going to the back, yes, it is going to look just like the Pixel 7 Pro devices and the Pixel 7. And then looking at the top and the bottom when it's closed, just trying to see what it looks like here on the video. You can kind of, I mean, it doesn't give us a complete picture of when the device is closed, but it almost looks like it's going to be completely flat. Like there's not going to be as much of an opening when it's closed as what we have with the Google Pixel Fold. I mean, I'm sorry, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now I'm getting all mixed up in my head. But it looks like it's going to shut a little bit more flat. That hinge is looking beautiful on the back. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly share this with you guys. No, we're not gonna go over specs or anything like that. We will know that when this device is announced officially on May 10th. So they actually have a link in this tweet right here. If you click on it, go to their website. You can sign up so you can be updated about devices, new tips, tricks from Google, including the new Pixel Fold. Hear more about Pixel Fold at Google I/O. Tune in on May 10th to watch the live streamed keynote. So you can either tune into their website, or I'm sure they're gonna have a live stream going on YouTube as well. But they even have the video right here on their website. As you can see right there, the same exact video that we've been seeing right there on their website, just giving it all away. So I'm personally excited for this device. You already know me, I'm gonna be picking one of these up. I'll be covering a lot here on the channel once it is announced. So make sure you are subscribed if you are not subscribed already, so you don't miss out on any of that future content, because I'm telling you, I have a lot coming. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Forgive me if I sounded all weird in this video. I'm just super congested right now, and I am trying to get through this. But thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.